On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? My belt came in. I'm gonna step up from the 3.5 to the 4.5 inch and retest the RPMs on this. It's supposed to be 1050. So what I think I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put that on here and see what the RPM is on that motor with no load. See how accurate this app is on the phone. I had a lot of people asking about this app. So this motor should spin at 3450. I always keep my compressor unplugged. Can't get at that speed, can I? Huh, not gonna work. Almost there. So this goes to 30 hertz. So that means 30 times 60. That's why. It'll only read up to 1800 RPMs. Well, I wish it was something better. It's the only one I could find. See if my belt calculations are right. I did get a 5/8 belt this time. That's pretty tight. A little tight. Thing's cranking. Right there. 21.2. Wow, a little fast. 1272. So I guess I need a 4-inch. Thing's pumping up fast though. What was it before? 840 minus 1272 is 432. So half of that, 204 plus 840. Wow. 1044. That'll be perfect. So 1044 RPMs. So I need a 4-inch. And then that belt will probably fit better too. I wonder if it'll even start with that. See if it'll start with that, because if it doesn't, I can unplug it. It might be too much of a load on that motor. Nah, no problem. Wow, that thing really pumps up fast. Wonder how much harm I'll do if I just left it. I'll order the 4-inch anyway. A 3450 motor with that Harbor Freight pump needs a 4-inch pulley, ideally. But I'll bet you this will be fine running at that speed. It's not like I use it all the time. I use it for my tire machine and filling up air. Everything else I have is Milwaukee battery tools. What do you guys think? Should I leave it at the higher RPM? I guess I should do a current draw. That'll tell me. I'm gonna go get my amp meter. So I got my amp meter. Alright. See what we draw for amperage. It says it'll draw 15 amps. So there you have it. Alright, so what's that tell me? It's not pulling 15 amps. So that means we're pretty much safe. Pretty damn close to 15 amps. Leave it or get a 4-inch pulley? What do you guys think? Well, I'm going to have to leave it for now, but leave a comment and let me know. It's probably not too late if you want a MotoCheez key tag or stickers. Go to MotoCheez.com. It's right on the main page. You'll get them out immediately. You should get them before Christmas if you hurry up. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.